Happy 40th birthday, Uncle Loloy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Uncle Loloy!
And
Many more!
God bless you. 40 na Kaloy. It's time to celebrate your birthday with us, the whole family. Oh, we heart you. We heart you. We love you. And happy birthday also, Auntie Jane.
Happy birthday! Belated happy birthday!
We heart you.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. With love from Kauswaga. Okay. Happy birthday to you.
We hope you have a good day, Ninong. We miss you.
Happy 40th birthday, Ferdinand! Wishing you good health, happiness, and many blessings today and always. Enjoy your special day. See you soon. God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 40th birthday, Loloy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Loy! Thank you sa inyong kindness, always accommodating us kung naami sa Edmonton. May God continue to bless you. May He fulfill His dreams and the desires of your heart. Happy 40th birthday, Loy! We love you. Bye! See you soon!
Happy 40th birthday, Loloy. May you have many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Kuya Loy.
God bless.
Hi Tito Loy, happy birthday. For me, you're a blessing. Lalo-lalo na sa buhay ni Tita Nene kasi ikaw yung nandyan lagi para sa kanya, para mag-ingat, mag-alaga, magmahal at kumompleto ng buhay niya at higit sa lahat magpasaya sa kanya. Kahit kayong dalawa lang, enough na kasi alam ko kayong dalawa pa lang kompleto na. So, continue pong alagaan ang sarili nyo, ang health nyo kasi syempre hindi na tayo bumabata, patanda na tayo. Importante, kahit anong kayod natin, mapag-ingatan pa rin natin yung ating kalusugan. And excited na akong makita kayo ulit. Masyado na rin kayong matagal dyan. Baka bakasyon din pa minsan-minsan. At yun, happy birthday Tito Loy. Enjoy your day. God bless you always. God is good. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Message ako, may message ako. Message ko, Loy, mag-ready ka dyan next year para babalik ulit kami dyan.
Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw, Casey.
I wish you good health and stay strong.
Ikaw. Yeah, good.
More blessings.
Wow! Showbiz ah. Ikaw, kita eh. Ikaw, message ko.
You for grilling burger noodles for my birthday.
Okay.
What sabihin mo kay Tito Loy?
Mag-ready ka dyan.
Ikaw din daw?
Ako, mauna na ako.
Birthday ko, ano eh?
Ikaw.
Mauna na ako. Mag-grip pa kayo.
Ikaw, mami, ikaw.
Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Uncle Loloy. Happy birthday, Uncle Loloy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Uncle Loloy. We love you.
I
love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Regina. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya. Anak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Loy. We wish you a great birthday and a great life.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lola. We wish you good health. Happy birthday, Kuya Loy. We wish you the best in life.
Happy birthday, Loy. We love you. Uli na!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Rogelan. How old are you? Ako 85 na po ko na, Loy. Ikaw, kailan? 40.
40. 40.
40 siya? Ay, oo, ikaw 40 pa di ay. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Jen. God bless you. I hope that you're always in good health.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya.
Hi, Loy. Are you?
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Loy.
Amping always. Love you.
Love you.
Uli na diri.